Vivo Y12s comes with a Halo full view display for an uninterrupted viewing experience. It is available in Glacier Blue and Phantom Black colors. The phone comes with a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory that allows for easy multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Vivo Y12s has a 6.51-inch HD Plus display providing an immersive view for both videos and games. The display filters out harmful blue light to prevent eye strain. The phone also comes with a side fingerprint scanner and face wake feature that lets you unlock your phone instantly and securely. Vivo Y12s comes with a 13MP plus 2MP AI dual rear camera and an 8MP front camera. Powered by FunTouch OS 11 based on Android 11 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with Multi-Turbo 3.0 that reduces stuttering and lag in games for a smooth gaming experience. Y12s comes with a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery that is supported by AI power-saving technology. It also supports reverse charging, enabling you to use your phone to charge other devices. The box includes handset, documentation, USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, protective case and protective film. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.